All right, guys. In this next video, we're going to do questions 31 to 34. Find the values of z for which the area of the shaded region under the standard normal curve is given. 31. The area is 0.0808. This is shaded to the right. When we say the area, that is the shaded region. So this is also referred to as the probability. 0.0808. Oops. To the right. So we have to find the z-score of that region. Remember, every probability on the z-score table is the area that is shaded to the left. I'm going to say it again. Every probability on the z-score table is the area under the curve shaded to the left. This is shaded to the right. So in order to find the correct z-score for this problem, we're going to have to follow the steps. Because it's shaded to the right, we must subtract this probability from 1. So 1 minus 0.0808, and that is going to equal to 0.9192. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go into the body of the z table. Let's write it down, actually. Go into the body of the z table and find 0.9192. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay. These numbers are too small. Let's go to the other side. 0.9192. Oh, found it right here. 0.9192. So based on that probability, let's find the z-score. The z-score is going to be 1.40. The z-score is going to be 1.40. Therefore, the answer is z equals to 1.40. I'm going to skip number 32 because I want to do number 34. Actually, no, we can't do number 34. That is the only one of its type. So when you want to find the z-score and it gives you the probability shaded to the right, you must subtract the probability from 1 first. After you subtract the probability from 1, you go into the body of the z table and you find the closest probability to 0.9192 in this case. Once you do that, identify the z-score, which is z equals to 1.40. Number 32, 33, and 34 deals with area shaded to the left. So the area is going to be 0.3264 to the left. And because every probability on the z table is shaded to the left, we only have one step to do. And that's just go into the body of the z table and find 0.3264. Rather, 0.3264. Okay, these values look too big. Let's keep scrolling. Also, the z-score is on the left side, so that means the z-score should be negative. 0.3264. That is right here. And 0.3264 has a z-score of negative 0.4. And we scroll that up a little bit. That appears to be 5. Therefore, that is the z-score. Z equals to negative 0.45. All right, 33. The shaded area is 0.9599. So this right here is the shaded area. And we want to find what the z-score is going to be. So once again, this is shaded to the left. When it's shaded to the left, you want to go into the body of Z table and find 0.9599. Because the shading starts here on the right and goes to the left, the z-score should be positive. So go on the other side. 0.9599. Here it is right here. And that appears to be 1.75. All right, that didn't work out too well. And then we're going to do the same thing for the last one. We're going to go into body of the Z table and find 0.9875 because we want to find the z-score. .9875. Oh, right here. And that appears to be Z is equal to 2.2. I want to say that's 2.24. Yep, 2.24. And that is it. So, in this video, we are finding the z-score based on the probability. So we're working backwards. When the area is shaded to the right, you must subtract that area from 1. And after you subtract that area from 1, then you go into the body of the Z table with that probability. If it's shaded to the left, just take the area, go into the body of the Z table, and find the probability. Then based on that probability, find the indicated z-score. All right, guys, I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.